Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to at another reaction video. आज first of all let me wish you a very happy Lori and Sankranti on this special occasion. So we got a new teaser in the market. So Vakil Saab ka trailer has been out on this festival occasion. So we are going to watch and react to that. So how's your celebrations going on? Hope everyone is enjoying their festive season. No matter what part of country you are from, I really wish once again everyone a happy festival. Because some places it's called as Lori, some places it's called Sankranti, some places it's called some other name. So whatever the name is different, but the experience, the enjoyment, the purpose is same. So wherever you are from, happy festival. And on this special occasion, let's watch this special trailer released by Vakil Saab team. Without any further ado, let's jump into the screen. Fire.
Objection, Your Honor. కోర్టులో వాదించడము తెలుసు, కోర్టు తీసి కొట్టడము తెలుసు.
Coming soon. Okay, so yeah, it's all about Pawan Kalyan. That's the thing what we can say, because only his character has been revealed in this teaser. Uh, no one else has been seen. So its main focus is on Pawan Kalyan showcasing his character. As we all know, he's a lawyer in this movie, and there seems to be a lot of action sequences because अभी आप देखा तो Pink, which you all know this is actually a Pink remake, but if you see there are not much of an action scenes in Pink with respect to Amitabh Bachchan character is concerned, because it's like old character. But here obviously because of his image, things have changed. I mean, they've made some kind of changes in the script to make it more of an action oriented masala kind of a movie, mass entertainer. So they've added a lot of fight scenes and everything in this. That's the thing I can say. And good, I mean, it's a treat to Pawan Kalyan fans on this special festive occasion to get this teaser out, and very happy for that. And I'm really looking forward for this movie, and we haven't got any confirmation of this movie's release date. That this show just coming soon, so we are yet to get a confirmation on when is the release date. I'm really waiting for the trailer part, because that's where we actually can see more of the characters. I mean, we know a lot of other heroines also there. What exactly is the storyline and everything. I mean, more characters should be evolved in the trailer part. So let's wait and watch when the trailer will be released, and also hopefully they will be providing a release date in the trailer. So let's wait and watch for that trailer. And thank you very much for sticking out, guys. This is very short reaction video because it just landed a couple of hours back, this teaser, so I don't want to miss to react this teaser and see it today itself. So on this festive occasion, let's celebrate everyone. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great year ahead. Thank you very much. Bye bye.